got the spine on. Yeah, that crack. I think he's got it. You see, he's got no control over his muscles or anything.
This is incredible. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Did you know about the pride? So the two that were, like the one that's been killed and the other one, their reference would be Avoca and Guernsey. So Lake Clouds, Guernsey. This is inner open, etc. Everything's going to come. To mature, they're going to indirectly be mating with their family. So the line is actually try to move. That is epic. So you see how the claws have come out the sheath, holding onto that dead line. The jackal's hanging around. Look, they're not going to be too phased by the jackal, but if it does